Alright, so here's this Kirby Avalir. I dubbed it the Havalir, kind of like the Hentria. This one's unique because I've done some stuff to it. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I had it originally a few years ago, but now I have it back again. But I finally finished what I started. This was the one thing I didn't get to finish, and now I got it done. And that is, I have a black sticker on here from a G4 belt lifter replacement. And it looks so much better. So this is basically an Avalir that kind of has an older look to it. It's got a G6 headlight hood, belt lifter, and a Heritage 2 outer bag. It just gives the whole machine an older look, and I like it. I also put a metal fan in here. So it also sounds older too. I got this Heritage 2 bag guard on there as well. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with how this turned out. So anyway, here it is. So there's the Avalir, dubbed Havalir. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.